Today I am going to solve another problem of trigonometry. This problems from conditional. This is also another important, and then this question asked to us in question number 25. This question I am going to solve. Okay, the question is a plus b plus c equals to pi. This is the condition. And then prove that cos a by 2 plus cos b by 2 plus cos c by 2 equals to 4 cos b plus c by 4 cos c plus a by 4 dot cos a plus b by 4. So that I start this question from RHS. RHS is 4 cos b plus c by 4 cos c plus a by 4 dot cos a plus b by 4. This equals to, we have to prove cos a by 2 plus cos b by 2 plus cos c by 2. Okay, so what can we do? We know one formula, 2 cos a cos b equals to cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. We can use this formula here. By this formula we can prove this. Okay, so this is a 4. We can give 2 to these two terms. 2 times 2 cos b plus c by 4 cos c plus a by 4 dot cos, we leave it now. Okay, now what happened here? Look at 2 cos a cos b form. It is in 2 cos a cos b form. I have already written the formula of 2 cos a cos b. So cos a plus b c plus a by 4. Directly I did here a plus b. How do you know? This b plus c by 4 plus c plus a by 4. This equals to, we have same denominator. We write only one denominator and we write all numerators same, c plus a. So directly I write here this. Okay, cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. A is b plus c minus a by 4. This cos a plus b by 4 term is here. Okay, and then 2 cos b plus c, a plus b plus c. We have given here a plus b plus c equals to pi. So what is value of a plus b plus c? Here a plus b plus c we can write pi. This means pi plus c by 4 plus cos. What happened here? Plus c minus c got b minus a by 4. Okay, and cos a plus b by 4 is as it is. Okay, now 2. We can open here that 2 and then cos a plus b by 4. Then it becomes the two terms here. Okay, I wrote this. First I multiply here. Okay, 2 cos pi plus c by 4 cos a plus b by 4 plus 2 cos b minus a by 4 cos a plus b by 4. Just I multiply these two terms with 2 and then cos a plus b by 4. Okay, now what happened here? There is 2 cos a cos b form. 2 cos a cos b plus 2 cos a cos b form. Again we use the same formula here. 2 cos a cos b cos a plus b how it comes I have already told you. Okay, cos a plus b plus cos A minus B. A is pi plus C minus A minus B. Minus changes the sign of these both terms, A minus B, plus there is also 2 cos A cos B. Cos A plus B. A plus B. A plus B plus cos A minus B. A is B minus A. B minus A by 4 as a minus B. Minus B minus A is minus B is a plus B. So both changes the sign. A minus B by 4. Okay, there are 4 terms now. What happens in these terms we see. Okay, let's see what happens here. Cos A plus B plus C. Cos, you get pi plus C plus A plus B. A plus B plus C means we have given A plus B plus C is a pi. So that pi plus another pi by 4 plus cos here pi plus C. If we take here minus common, what happens? If we take minus common, A plus B becomes here upon 4 plus cos here plus A minus A we can cut it, and then B 2B by 4 plus cos here what happened? That plus B minus B cut minus A minus 2A by 4. Okay, now what happens? That cos pi 2 pi by 4 plus cos here pi plus C minus what is value of A plus B? A plus B equals to pi minus C. Pi minus C, it is already here minus, so minus plus C by 4 plus cos. Here we can write B by 2. We can quantitate this 2 and 4. Okay, and cos here A by 2, and there is minus 2A by 4. We know cos minus theta equals to cos theta. So we can write here minus 2A by 4 is just cos A by 2. Okay, and then we know cos 2 pi by 4. Cos 2 pi by 4 is pi by 2 is a 90 degree. Cos 90 degree means cos 90 degree how many? 0. Yes, the value of cos 90 is 0. So we can write here 0 plus cos. What happened here? That C pi cot CC 2C by 4 plus cos B by 2 plus cos A by 2. Now what happened? We can write here. It means okay, 0 we should not write that 0 is 0, and then cos C by 2 plus cos B by 2 plus cos A by 2. Okay, then look at the RHS. LHS we have to put cos A by 2 plus cos B by 2 plus cos C by 2. Then just we have to arrange it at last. Cos A by 2 plus cos B by 2 plus cos C by 2. What happened? Yeah, RHS. We started from RHS, and then by using condition that A plus B plus C equals to pi, we got here RHS equals to LHS. So we can write here RHS equals to LHS PRO ED fluid. It is very easy. How do you know? Just we use here one formula. That formula is cos 2 cos A cos B. We know the this transformation formula up to cos A cos B, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Okay, we use this formula and this condition to prove this question, and we prove it. You also can solve this question once. It is very easy, but it is confusing, but it is easy. Okay, thank you.